My youth, just go. Me, doctor, lawyer, scientist, and teacher. And me can't even read neither.
How will you say your name?
Ageable.
Okay.
Name. Tom. A member. They call pussy in Jamaica. Enough pussy in Jamaica named Tom, you know. Residents of cat name.
Remember Tom and Jerry cartoon?
Tom.
The pussy when they are Tom, the pussy name.
Right, and the rat and Jerry.
Yeah.
So, this man used to pass through a sell rat poison and things like that. So, I tell the man, say right now, boy, your wife big and fat. So, anyway, if you can't get what you can find, feel enhance his sexual performance. I say, yes, man, they can't give things, man. I say, they call Tantaria. You ever hear about Tantaria?
No, ass tonic.
Ready? Where they give horse.
Yes.
Give horse when we breed.
Yeah.
We horse we get, we have horse we breed. Tantaria. Soul. Him harder, so Tantaria from the man. Cause he wife big and fat, you know. And he can't fuck the woman. So he harder some Tantaria, and one man can want to lick or something like so. He said, hey, what this man?
Little vial.
The man say, yo, you see this grass straw me I give you, sir? One tip in it to a pint of water. That's all you need.
So that is in strong, man.
You know, it's good for brother. You see this, you might pick one grass straw, you see this grass straw here, sir? You put it in there so and put it to a pint of water and drink that. You shall be alright. You rascal. Tommy Rose. And I estimate that. And go put 3 drops in that.
Rotted. Instead of 1 grass straw, you put 3 drops in the water.
They don't call it Tantaria percentage, you know. You don't call it
Arsenic.
Canterable drops.
And terrible drops.
When the doctor asks him about him, he say he take canterable drops. He can't say Tantaria, you know. He say he can take canterable drops. 3 drops he take. He said he drink that butter and start lace with persistence. He couldn't take it no more. Chef start ball out and push him away. And he did a ball out. He must cut out his seed.
Rotted.
Cut out his seed. Yeah.
Doctor have to cut out it.
Neil know the man. You must cut out his seed.
Wow.
If you call it cut cat and say so.
Rotted.
He said that the people you fuck. He said no people you that is a shame.
So why they cut out it? You think couldn't go down?
No, they must cut out his seed to get it down.
Rotted.
They must cut out his seed. They must castrate him.
After that,
You think it's joke? One man who you know the same man. And no far from that the same man that him live. Him know the man. He dead now, but that man dead now, but he know the man. I right there so they live. And no joke me I tell you.
So, even if the woman could take it, maybe that kill the poor woman.
The woman finally reach her destination and decide.
He's not ready yet.
Who?
And at the time, he's not half ready.
No, he can't ready yet because, yo, brother, after your business, wait.
Maybe if all a cow did then near me, that go up and the cow.
You know, say moose ass are the coldest thing though. You tell me, you know, say moose ass.
Oh, rat ass.
Yes.
Oh, you know that?
Then they fire on and they say a cool breeze a blow. No, the coldest thing they could have fight. Then they fire that moose still, and he still thinks a cool breeze a blow. That means if he was cold like ice.
They fire that tail and he think a cool breeze.
He thinks a cool breeze.
He call her ice.
He call her ice.
a true one.
So when you tell you, moose are the biggest ass you gonna find.
Call his ass that.
And call it, but you gonna find.
That's your hot in the fire.
Oh, and the fire in a must tail, and he thinks a cool breeze, that means he has freeze. He has too cold.